If your knees crack every time you go up or down stairs, don't panic. It doesn't mean they're falling apart. Most of the time, it's just pressure changes or soft tissue moving over the joint. But what is a problem is when your knees don't have enough strength to control movement, so let's fix that. I'm Dr. Jordan, chiropractor and a strength coach, and today we're gonna fix that problem for you. Knee cracking alone isn't dangerous, but if your knees feel weak, achy, or unstable, that's your body asking for better support. The key is building strength around the quads, hamstrings, and hips to keep the knee joint stable and pain-free. These are 5 exercises I give to my patients to bulletproof their knees. Exercise number 1, Spanish squat. First up, Spanish squats. Wrap a thick band behind your knees, anchor it, and sit back like you're doing a wall sit. This variation lights up your quads while taking pressure off the knee joint. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Exercise number 2, banded knee extensions. Next, banded knee extensions. Stand tall, loop a light band behind the knee, and straighten against resistance. This helps to wake up your quads, which support your kneecap and control tracking. Exercise number 3, leg extensions. Then good old leg extensions. Keep it controlled, focus on squeezing the quads at the top, and don't overload it. This is about endurance and activation, not max weight. Exercise number 4, wall sits with a heel raise. Now the wall sit with heel raise. Slide down into a wall sit, then lift your heels so you're pressing through the balls of your feet. This shifts emphasis to your quads and strengthens the muscles that stabilize the kneecap. Exercise number 5, step downs. Lastly, step downs. Start on a low box or step, control your descent, and tap your heel to the floor. This trains the eccentric control your knees need for walking downstairs or lowering under load. If your knees crack, don't avoid movement, build strength. Try adding these into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Your knees will feel more stable, less sore, and a lot quieter over time. If this helped you out, hit subscribe and check out my other videos on hip and ankle mobility, because strong knees start with strong movement everywhere else.